DC and officials of Water Resources Department visited Jamuna River bank erosion site along Karbi Anglong and Hojai district on Friday. DFO East Division slaps show cause notice to Bikram Rongpi, Ranger and Renuka Terangpi, beat officer on 16 September. Karbi Students Association visits several schools at Borlangpur on 16 September. Welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. The easiest way to indicate inter-district border is to observe by the course of a river. But the course of a river consistently changes its course due to several factors, which often ignite conflicts and disputes at border regions. To avoid conflicts and border disputes among the two districts, on 16 September, Dibakar Nath, DC of Karbi Anglong, along with the officials of Water Resource Department, visited Jamuna River, falling under Numati constituency, to inspect the river bank erosion site. It can be seen that the river banks of Jamuna, Dighalpani, Harina and Dikharu are depleting every year due to various factors. Therefore, to cope up with this issue, a team of district administration and officials of Water Resource Department made a ground visit to know the factual topography of the region. The team was led by Dibakar Nath, IAS, DC of Karbi Anglong District, and accompanied by Miji Kro, Executive Engineer of Water Resources Department. The site inspection was initiated with a vision to mitigate and conserve the river banks by taking up several disaster management projects and schemes at the region, which could eventually result in avoiding the time ahead probable conflicts in the region. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 16 September, a show cause notice was issued from Divisional Forest Officer East Division to Bikram Rongpi, Ranger, and Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, over the involvement in illegal sand supply business chain. As part of notice, the concerned authorities seek explanation and clarification from the accused by 22nd September. Bikram Rongpi, Ranger, and Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, had possessed an attitude of working from their own way of style, ranging from extraction easy money from the sand suppliers, unloading free sands to their residents, and many more. Due to the attitude of working from their way of style, the video of Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, taking money from the sand suppliers was surfaced and went viral on social media platforms. Therefore, Jagannath Rongpi, DFO of Karbi Anglong East Division, under the supervision of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAEC, had issued a show cause notice to Bikram Rongpi, Ranger, and Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, on 16 September. The serial number of show cause notice sent to Bikram Rongpi is A/KAE/show cause notice /2022 to 2023/357 and A/KAE/show cause notice /358 to Renuka Terangpi. As per the notice, DFO Karbi Anglong East Division seeks explanation and clarification from both the accused by 22nd September. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 16 September, under the initiative of Karbi Students Association, Borlangpur Head Branch, under the supervision of KSA Dipu Regional Committee, visited 3 schools at Borlangpur area under the aegis of Awareness Campaign for Quality Education Mission 2025. As a part of Richard Togby's Education Awareness Campaign for Quality Education Mission 2025, Karbi Students Association has been working sincerely and rigorously across the districts by coordinating and cooperating with the instruction given by Richard Togby, EM in charge of Education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Likewise, on 16 September, KSA visited Borlangpur region falling under Lumbajong constituency and made an inspection to 3 different schools. The inspection team was led by Sobjip Phangcho, President of KSA, Borlangpher Head Branch, and Mongol Tirang, Secretary of Borlangpher Head Branch, in presence of Soro Singbe, Secretary of KSA, Deephu Regional Committee. 3 schools that were inspected by KSA on 16 September are Borlangpher Tiniali LP School, Borlangpher Hemari Killing LP School, and Borlangpher Tiniali ME School. It was reported that the surveillance team went through the register of attendance for teaching staff in all respected schools. It was also informed that most of the schools are facing difficulties in teaching the children due to insufficient numbers of teaching members appointed at the school. Several basic needs like drinking water, bench and desks, classrooms, sanitary system, and many more are missing at this point of time.
Hemari Killing LP School kenang sot hormu mangke desk bench awe usumal dumal arung se pangni relation se nitin theklo lapen aku boundary wall awe lapen kitu nalang mission awe so that ame mission na facility bang pinengi.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.